Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find your past profile pictures in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch your Chrome browser by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Step 2. Next to the Google Apps, click on your profile picture. Located in the top right corner, click on your profile picture to access your account settings. Step 3. Click on Edit. A menu will appear with various options. Select Edit to make changes to your profile settings. Step 4. At the top right, click on More. Look for the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on them to reveal additional options. Step 5. Click Past Profile Pictures. From the drop-down menu, choose the Past Profile Pictures option. This will display a collection of your previous profile pictures. And there you have it. You've successfully found your past profile pictures in Chrome on your PC. It's a great way to reminisce and see how your online presence has evolved over time. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. See you next time.